Hi guys, welcome to As Simple as Possible. This video is all about ACCA. What is ACCA? It is an accounting qualification of UK like we have CA in India. You will get a degree of Chartered Certified Accountant. ACCA is the number one choice for accountancy students worldwide. The picture that you have in this slide, this is how the site looks like. I have given this picture so that when you go on Google and search it, you can exactly see how the site looks like. Next, we have course fees. If you go to this page on the website, you can get country-wise info on the prices. On an average, rupees 2 lakh to 2.5 lakh is the approximate fees. If you have any exemptions, about which we will discuss in the upcoming slides, then the cost is also lower, approximately 1.7 lakhs. The page looks like this. Next, we have registration details. You can see in the picture My ACCA. Here you have to create your account. Then you will be asked to submit documents regarding your minimum educational qualification. You should submit all your educational qualification because on the basis of that, you can also claim exemptions. Just follow all the steps in the account to get a hassle-free registration. There is a registration fees as well, which we already discussed. Exam and subjects. There are three levels in ACCA: applied knowledge level, applied skills level, strategic professional level. In applied knowledge level, there are three papers: business and technology, management accounting, financial accounting. In applied skills level, we have six papers: corporate and business law, performance management, taxation, financial reporting, audit and assurance, financial management. The third level, which is the strategic professional level, has four papers, out of which two are essentials and two are optional. Optional means you have choice to opt out of four subjects. Out of that, you can select two papers that you want to opt. Remember, the choices that you are making now will also create an impact when you're looking for a job. Because suppose you have done an audit paper in the ACCA professional exam, but you want to apply for a job which involves taxation, then you will be asked why you did not pick up taxation as an optional subject when you want to go for a job role in taxation. That was all about strategic professional level. You have four papers, two are essential, out of which, and the next two are optional. Out of four, out of which you have to select two. In essentials, you have strategic business leader, strategic business reporting. Options, you have advanced financial management, advanced performance management, advanced taxation, advanced audit and assurance. We have another module, ethics and professional skills module. You have to do this module separately along with the other three levels of papers that you have in ACCA exams. Total, you can say you have 14 exams, but ethics and professional module is not an exam. It is like a study that you have to do in order to become ACCA. Only and only after you complete this module can you become an ACCA. Ethics and professional skills module will teach us all about the ethical principles and standards that we should follow when we become an ACCA member and as well as when we are continuing as an ACCA student. It tells us what the institute ACCA expects from us. Ethics and professional skills module has a lot of content which involves around 7 to 8 units. It has a lot of slides, around 150 to 200 slides approximately. And after each module or each subject, you have to give a test, which is basically related to the content that you have studied in the module. And at the end of the module, you have around 14 to 20 questions set of exams. So that you have to clear. And once you pay for a ethics professional skills module, you do not have to pay if you fail. You can appear for ethics and professional skills module again. but it's easier to pass this module, and you have to concentrate on each and every subject that you are taught in this module, because it really helps when you are giving your exams, professional skills or applied knowledge level exams. And it is expected generally that you complete your ethics and professional module before giving the strategic professional exams, because in strategic professional exams you have a set of marks that are allocated to the ethical standards, and you have to refer them. So it becomes very very helpful if you do this module first, but it is only an option. You can complete the module even after giving the strategic professional exams if you are confident about the exams. Study method and tips. There are two methods of study. We know self study and coaching classes. But since this course involves around 2 to 2.5 lakhs cost, coaching classes are an extra cost. So you have to decide if you want to take that burden or if you want to do self study. Concept building is very important for these exams. Write brief and to the point answers. Questions are not direct, so pay attention to what the question is asking. Time is a key factor. There is no scope for leeway while writing exams. The exam is conducted computer based only in India, so you have to be prepared to use it. A student who has cleared all the ACCA exams but is yet to complete her experience required is known as an ACCA affiliate. Exam day. Passport is mandatory. Calculator is provided on the screen, but you are allowed to take with you as well. You will have the option to solve the practical or numerical questions in Excel. Thus, it will be easier and you will need not take the calculator as such. Exam break is allowed, including washroom break. Please check with your proctor or invigilator. Results day. Results are declared on your mail ID. In India, you will receive the results early morning generally. The details of the results are pre-provided in the exam calendar on the ACCA website. Please check. You pass the ACCA exam if you score 50 or more. You can check the pass percentage of each attempt on the ACCA website to get a clear idea of what you are going to expect from the results based on the previous results. Membership. Being a confident, inspiring, and trusted professional comes with experience. So, to qualify as an ACCA member, you must complete a minimum 36 months' relevant work experience and 9 performance objectives you have to achieve. Relevant work experience, you can check what it means, and I think it is related to accountancy and other fields, but you can check as per your own uh, requirement. Jobs. This is a very relevant point when you are considering a course. All we can say about this course in jobs is that you will stand a better chance to get a job in your dream company and you can score a reasonable job. There are loads of vacancies for ACCA members and ACCA affiliates in auditing, accounting, taxation, FP&A. The field of job will also depend on the optional papers you choose in the professional level of ACCA, as I had already mentioned. You can expect a salary competitive to an Indian CA. Exemptions. The most important query that we generally get is about the exemptions, so we have kept it for the last. On the basis of the educational documents that you submitted during ACCA registration, the institute will grant you exemptions on the basis of their criteria and standards. In case you miss out on submission of any documents, you can even mail them. You can check the exemptions which may be awarded to you on the basis of your qualification on the ACCA website. If you are a qualified chartered accountant, you will get exemptions in first two levels of ACCA, and directly you have to give the third level. But the payment of the exemptions has to be given upfront, and only then you can appear for the third level. If you have CA final and have scored 40 plus marks in some specified subjects, you can claim exemptions on papers for second level. If you are a graduate, you may get exemption in first level as well. So if you are a graduate plus you have cleared CA Inter and you have scored 40 plus marks in some subjects of CA final, some specified subjects, then you might even get 9 exemptions. That was all about ACCA that we knew and we could provide you. If you have any other doubts, you can comment in the comment section and we will definitely reply and try to include it in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe the channel. Please share the love and motivate us by sharing this video as much as you can. Thank you so much.